Hey everyone, happy Monday, May 18th, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella, and let's get into the week ahead on the markets. And like always, today's episode is brought to you by AMF Capital Asset Management Frankfurt. Learn more at amf-capital.de. Let's dive in. Well, this week could be all about one company again. And yes, you probably already guessed it, Nvidia. Investors have spent the past few weeks digging through earnings reports, but the big tech numbers coming this week may be the real highlight. Nvidia reports first quarter results on Wednesday evening, and the market will be watching very closely. Why? Because Nvidia has become the key signal for the entire AI trade. Its chips, services, and platforms are central to artificial intelligence, data centers, computing infrastructure, and even the energy demand behind all of it. Back in March, Nvidia said demand for its hardware and software was basically off the charts. CEO Jensen Huang even doubled his projections for the company's Vera Rubin and Blackwell products, saying they could generate more than $1 trillion by the end of 2026, instead of $500 billion. The stock has already gained around 20% this year, so expectations are extremely high. And that is exactly where things get tricky. Last quarter, Nvidia beat analyst expectations, but the shares still fell afterward. So, well, good numbers alone may not be enough. Investors want to see that AI demand remains strong, but they also want proof that all this spending can actually translate into real profits. Another big name reporting this week is Walmart, and that one matters for a different reason. The company will give us a fresh look at the American consumer shortly after consumer prices rose by 3.8% year over year in April, largely because of sharply higher fuel costs. Last quarter, Walmart said shoppers still looked resilient. Now the big question is whether that resilience is still holding up. So this week, the market gets two very different but very important signals: Nvidia for the AI boom, and Walmart for the health of the consumer. And honestly, both could tell us a lot about where markets go next. Alright, that's it for today's Capital Markets Quickie. If you found today's episode helpful, hit subscribe and stay in the loop. And if you want more insights, just add me on LinkedIn or Instagram, always happy to connect. See you tomorrow morning.